Good morning, everyone. We have a special program for you. We're here, and we are joyful and peaceful. So, Joe, can you give us a little intro? Does everyone know the song, The 12 Days of Christmas?
Yes.
Well, today we're going to do our special version, the 12 Days of Unity Christmas. We'll sing each line, and then we're going to talk about what each line means, and at the end we'll sing all 12. Are you ready? Yes, are you ready? All right. On the first day of Christmas, my true love gave to me the Christ child born in my heart.
Have you ever seen a child be born in your heart?
No way.
Just close your eyes and imagine the loving Spirit of the Christ within you, just like Jesus had the Spirit of the Christ in him. Oh, just like that. Wonderful. Ready for the second day? On the second day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 2 turtle doves. Does anyone know what a turtle dove is?
Yes.
What's a turtle dove?
Is that
Is that a chocolate?
well, yes.
Chocolate.
And it's also a bird that stands for what?
Peace.
Peace. That's right. In Unity, we're all about peace. We've just been talking about peace.
And also, we're also about all chocolate.
Chocolate, too.
And Frankenstein.
Let's see about the third day. On the third day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 3 special gifts.
Special gifts? I get gifts on Christmas. Is that what that means?
Well, these are the 3 special gifts the wise men brought. One of them was gold. Do you think gold is expensive?
Yes.
Yes.
Wow,
Well, it
isn't
was,
gold
except the other 2 were even more expensive. They were tree sap. Does tree sap sound expensive?
No.
No. Well, they were frankincense and myrrh.
Frankenstein.
Frankincense. Has anyone ever heard of frankincense?
No.
Do you remember something about a different holiday? We could say that one.
Frankenstein?
Wrong holiday.
Frankenstein?
Frankincense and myrrh, they were the 2 gifts that Jesus got. One of the 2. One they used to bless people when they were born. Frankincense and myrrh, they blessed people when they passed from this plate, from the earth.
Wow, Jesus must have been pretty special to get those gifts.
That's right. Let's find out about the 4th day.
On the 4th day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 4 loving gospels.
What's a gospel?
Gospel means good news. Do you know what the good news are in the Bible? They're in the first 4 books of the New Testament: Matthew, Mark, Luke, and John. And you know what Jesus said? He had some good news. He said, Christ in you, your hope of glory. That means you can do all things, even plays like this, with the Christ in you. That's good news, right? Yes. Let's see about the 5th day. On the 5th day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 5 unity principles. Unity principle number 1 is God is. God is. That means God is good and everywhere present. We talk about that. How about unity principle number 2? I am. That's right. I am. That means the Christ is in us. Unity principle number 3.
I create.
I create. That means we create our life with our thoughts. Our thoughts are so powerful. Unity principle number 4. What's this one? Unity principle number 4. Do you
Pray.
remember? Pray. That's right. I pray. We use prayer and meditation as wonderful too. You want to say pray? Yes.
Pray.
Pray. That's right. How about unity principle number 5? I do all the things that are mine to do. That's right. Just if we know about things, it's not enough. We have to do something about it. That's wonderful. Let's hear about the 6th day.
On the 6th day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 6 meditations.
How many people like to meditate? Let's hear. How many people like to meditate? Oh, look at all these meditators out there. Wow, that's amazing. Well, there's lots of ways to meditate. Let's try one. Everyone sit down. Everyone sit down, and everyone out here can try it with us. Are you ready? You can put your hand on your heart, and we're going to just breathe in. You know, Reverend Erin gave us such a beautiful meditation, and we're going to do another one. Put your hand on your heart and breathe love in, and breathe in love, and breathe out love. And breathe in love, and breathe out love. To the whole world, breathe in love, and breathe out love. Who's going to practice every day? Yeah, you can practice every day breathing in and out love, right? That would be such a gift to the world, don't you guys think? Yes, that's so wonderful. Let's hear about number 7. What do you think it might be? On the
2nd day of Christmas, my true love gave to me
7 chakra spinning.
What's a chakra?
The word chakra comes from the Sanskrit language, and it means wheel. And when they're healthy, they spin. And you know one way to keep your chakras healthy? Meditate.
I'll keep mine spinning.
Yay, we'll keep our spinning or meditate every day.
I'm going to keep mine spinning.
On the 8th day of Christmas, my true
True love gave to me 8 beatitudes.
What's a beatitude? What a funny name.
A beatitude is a blessing. It's a blessing. Jesus gave a talk about the 8 beatitudes, and one of the blessings he said were, blessed are the peaceful. And I call them sons and daughters of God. Peaceful. Can you guys show me how you're peaceful?
Peaceful.
Let me see how everyone's peaceful. Oh, look. That's right. Lennon is very peaceful. On the 9th day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 9 candles flickering. Who likes candles? This time of year, we're talking about special candles. Can you see the candles up there? Can you point to them if you see them? Do you see them up there? Those are the candles in the menorah. And you see them when we have, those are Advent candles. These are candles in the menorah, and that we light them at the time of Hanukkah. Hanukkah just started 2 days ago. And in unity, we honor all paths to God. And these are one of the pathways to God. 9 candles flickering. Ready for the 10th day? On the 10th day of Christmas,
My true love gave to me
10 hugs of
kindness.
In unity, if you come to a unity church, you might see people hugging. So you can hug someone near you and tell them you see the Christ in them. Yes, 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 yes. I see the Christ in you.
How many are you, Lucas? How many are you? How many are you?
There we go. Everyone's going to be, and it's just like a unity church. It takes a while for the hugging to calm, right? Because it's so great. Yeah, we're all about hugs in unity. So good. You ready? You ready for 11? What is 11? What do we do in unity?
On
On the 11th day of Christmas,
my true love gave to me
love after
Here's a Christmas affirmation. I spread Christmas joy everywhere I go. Let's say this one together.
I spread
Christmas joy everywhere I go.
That's wonderful. Here's ready for 12. On the 12th
Day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 12 kinds of power.
Charles Fillmore, our co-founder of Unity, said 12 powers that were in Jesus are in us too. We've been studying about them. Does anyone know the 12 power for December?
No.
Life. That's right. It's so perfect.
Life.
And why is life so perfect, Lucas? So perfect when we celebrate the birth of Jesus. Now we know the meaning of the whole song. We're going to start with 12 and work our way all the way back down. Are you ready? On the 12th day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 12 kinds of power, 11 affirmations, 10 hugs of kindness, 9 candles flickering, 8 beatitudes, 7 chakras spinning, 6 meditations, 5 unity principles, 4 loving gospels, 3 special gifts, 2 turtle doves, and the Christ child born in my heart. Merry Christmas, everyone!
Merry Christmas, everyone.
Woo! Take a bow. Can you bow? Can everyone bow?
Let's
Can you
bless
bow?
our children with our blessing. Advance the slide.
Children.
Advance the slide.
Oh, did you make a slide? Oh.
We
We
love
love
you,
you, we bless you, and we appreciate you just the way you are. Yay! Now you can make them flashing. And the children are going to go back and sit with Mom and Dad.